Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the lesson Social Issues from the English textbook. Who wrote the novel Oliver Asks for More? Answer: Charles Dickens. The writer Charles Dickens doesn't belong to the following novels. Answer: Paperback. The following given sentence is said by whom from the lesson Oliver asks for more. Answer: Emily Dickens. Who wrote the poem The Cry of Children? Answer: Elizabeth Barrett Browning. The Cry of Children poem is described as dash. Answer: Child labor. The writer Elizabeth Barrett Browning doesn't belong to the following poems and books. Answer: The Picture of Dorian Gray and the Play. Elizabeth Barrett Browning poems are deal with what? Answer: Human emotions. The following poem is not belongs to Elizabeth Barrett Browning, published 1. Answer: Bleak House. Whom did Elizabeth Barrett Browning marry? Answer: Robert Browning. What is the lifetime of Elizabeth Barrett Browning? Answer: 1806 to 1861. The word extract means dash. Answer: short passage from a book. A long handled spoon used to serve liquids is dash. Answer: beverage spoon. Find the homophones of the word board. Answer: BORED, board. Which is not homophone of the word leap? Answer: none of the above. What is the full form of SOS? Answer: save our soul. Identify the incorrect homophones of the stoop. Answer: stoop. STUOP, stoop. Which has contained wrong spelling? Answer: the spelling underneath UNDERNETH is wrongly spelled. CRY is an organization which works for or believe in what? Answer: C and D. It believes that children are citizens and it believes that they have their own rights. Find out the which has correct spelling. Answer: the spelling of waistcoat, WAISTCOAT, is correct. Stupefied means dash. Answer shocked. How many children freed from hunger, exploitation, and illiteracy in more than 13,000 villages and slums by CRY organization? Answer more than 1 lakh. Find out the word which has incorrect spelling. Answer voracious. VORECIOUS. This spelling is incorrect. Choose the antonym of the given word extract. Answer A and D, refusal and insertion. Horror was depicted on every countenance. What is the meaning of the underlined word? Answer facial expression. What is the role of the cry? Answer it recognizes children as citizen. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.